Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Metcas.com. So I'm just going to say this right off the bat that this website is a scam. So I have two other websites that look identical to this with the name just being changed. So as you can see, one rolls and fee stacks. So is it even a question at this point that this website is a scam? So it's very obvious that this website is a scam. They just changed the name and making sure that they have a lot of websites that so make sure that a lot of people are signing up from them. They just changed the name. So please guys, I would advise you to do your research before actually putting in your information into these websites, since they might as well be fishing for information about your details like your name, address, and your card information. So once you enter in your card information or your credit card, then basically they got you. So if you're already a victim of them, I would advise you to call your bank and make sure that you cut off all connection from them. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.